Hey, this is Paul. Today I'm going to be demonstrating odd versus even numbers using dominoes. So let's get started. Okay, I've got a domino here, split into two sides. On the left, there's 0 dots. On the right, there's 1 dot. Is it the same on both sides? No. So it's not even. It's odd. Altogether, you have 1 dot. Now this domino altogether has 2 dots, but it's split into 2 sides. You have 1 dot on one side, 1 dot on the other, and it's even. So that's 2. What comes after 2? There's 3. But you'll notice to make the number 3, you have to have 2 dots on one side and 1 dot on the other. 1, 2, and then 3 right there. And even if I switch them around, it's still not even. Do you have the same number of dots on each side? No, you do not. Okay? Because of that reason, it's odd. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at 4. To make the number 4, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, but I've got 2 dots on the left side, 2 dots on the right side. There's the same number of dots on each side, so that is even. This number 5 here. To make that number 5, I've got 2 green dots here and 3 red dots there. Is it the same number of dots on each side? No, there's not. So this is odd. It's not even. To create the number 6, I've got 3 dots over here, 3 dots over there. It's even on both sides. And if you'll notice a pattern, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you'll notice, there's a pattern. You've got this left row of dominoes, and you've got the right row of dominoes. The left row of dominoes are not even. They don't have the same number on each side of the domino. But the dominoes over here are considered even because they have the same number of dots on each side. These are even, these are odd.